Hey guys, how's it going? Pocket. In this video, we're going to talk about something completely different of what I'm doing regularly. It's about a small character which is going to block your phone, basically not block but crash your phone if you copy paste it or tap it down somewhere. So let's go through it. So guys, I've seen this everywhere, including the news, and of course many people have been talking about it. So this bug exists from iOS 10 all the way up to 11.2.5, and Apple has said there's fixed this bug on iOS 11.3, which is not out yet, but you can still download the iOS 11.3 beta version in order to fix it. But I'm always against of downloading beta versions of iOS because there may be bugs on it which may affect negatively your Apple device. So iOS 11.3 is expected to be released on somewhere around on March. Now this character I think is from the Indian alphabet and it looks exactly like this. Now if you come from India, then you know more about this character, so let me know down in the comments what it exactly means. Now there was a developer who posted about this bug. And this is all the information about this post. Here on the summary, he explains what the error is about. So as you can see, it's about the Indian symbol. So this is exactly how it looks like. I'm gonna zoom in to see better. So this is how the symbol looks like again. And it literally is going to crash your phones. So for example, if you try to send this character, if someone, for example, sends this character on Messenger or on Messages or on Instagram and Snapchat, as I heard, is going to crash your phone and you may not be able to enter this conversation again. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a second phone number in order to text myself and show you how this works. But let's assume that someone is going to text you this character on Messages. So why it's going to crash is because if you open Messages, then here you can see it displays the last message that this person has sent you, and the other person who sent you this Indian character will be displayed here, which means that it was trying to render. And this is going to result Messages to crash and it's going to close the application, and that means that you won't be able to open Messages again. Unless that person decides to send you something else, for example, hello or whatever, something that a message which does not include this Indian character, then Messages will be up and running. But if you try to open the conversation that you had with this person who had already sent this Indian character, then Messages was going to crash again because Messages will try to render this character, which this is where everything happens. So let's assume that this person has sent me this character. So what I'm gonna do is just simply swipe to the left and then click on the delete button, and then it's going to delete all those messages that this person sent to me. And this is how you can save yourself from this bug. And also something else, if you try to copy this character, so let me try and copy it. So if you copy it and then paste it somewhere, then this is going to make your iPhone to refresh, because again your iPhone cannot render this character. Now this happens from iOS 10 all the way up to 11.2.5 again. So please be extra careful on what you're doing with this character. Or if, for example, someone sends you this character, then go ahead and beg him to send you another text without including this character. Then you'll be able to open Messages and then delete this conversation completely, or even block this person to prevent sending you this character again. But I doubt this is going to ever happen, but if it does happen, then just follow my instructions and then you'll be fine. Also, another thing, if you want to install iOS 11.3 beta, then just navigate down the description and you should see a link which is going to give you all the instructions needed to install iOS 11.3 beta, and then this is going to definitely resolve this issue. Now please do not attempt to use this information to crash someone's iPhone, or if you do it as a prank, then definitely help them out to fix their iPhone by giving them the instructions that I just told you about Messages. Okay guys, so that was a video about this bug, and I hope this is going to be fixed very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video, share this video with your friends, and as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're a new visitor to this channel and you would like to watch more videos like that. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm going to see you to my next video.